Hi everyone. For this project, I would like to build something simple but useful. I built an age calculator. The idea came to me because I was thinking about how often the people ask, "How old are you?" So I thought, why not make a small program that can answer that instantly, automatically? I also want to make the project more interactive and fun, so I added a character named Tobi, and Tobi speak to the user. Then the program feel more like a conversations rather than just a boring form. Okay, let's go to the step, the code. Yeah. Okay, I would like to share the code. Here the code. Okay, here the code. Okay, the code explain how my Toby, yeah, create as do the talking and greetings the users by asking her names or his name. So the first time Toby greet the users and ask them the name, and then this will make the conversations and interactions feel more personal because Toby used the personal names and or actual names in his greetings. And after he asking the name, yeah, and the programs will get the current year by get the datetime module I used here. Um, the the program will automatically get the current year from the current datetime from his its computer from the computer or from the device. And this way, the program always work no matter which year it's running. It's automatically up to date. And after that, the user is asked to enter their birth year by inputting into the terminal, and then um, this part take into the input, yeah, become an integer, and how it can next for the calculate. And then after the user enter or input the birth year, the Toby start calculate the user's age, yeah, by this formula, this current year minus birth year. And after that, it simply subtracts the birth year from the current year. And finally, Toby will tell the users about their age. And just like that, we get the personalized results. So I would like to run this. It asks me to enter my name. I would like to state that my name is Ahmad. And the Toby asking me to enter my birth year. I would like to enter, okay, 1992. And as the result, we can see that Toby tell me that my age is 33 years old. So that's all. My simple program, age calculator. I made program that the Toby talk to the user and ask the name and birth year, and then the Toby will calculate automatically and make it more fun. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy my age calculator project. Bye.